Hi, this is my biofuel project, Biobutanol, a remarkable and renewable energy. To start off with a bit of background information, I'd like to first introduce what a biofuel is. A biofuel is a fuel obtained from living organisms. Biobutanol is a specific type of biofuel. It's an energy source similar to biodiesel, which is another type of biofuel that is comprised of mostly animal fats and vegetable oils. However, biobutanol is derived from algae, bacteria, and starches. This makes it so unique in the fact that it is not only renewable, but is made of such common and plentiful ingredients. Another important thing to note is the 4-carbon alcohol within it and how it relates to the high energy content. Once again, biobutanol is a great biofuel in the fact that a small amount can create a large amount of energy, which again makes it so desirable. Next, how is biobutanol obtained? Biobutanol is obtained through fermentation, more specifically anaerobic fermentation. Because it mostly involves plants, the cellular respiration within is done without oxygen, which makes it fermentation. And this fermentation oxidizes glucose to create ATP. And once these cells have produced this ATP, it is combined with something such as amylase to break open that cell, and the ATP within can be harvested for energy. How the fuel is produced. Biobutanol is produced through a process called acetone butanol ethanol fermentation, or ABE for short, and it converts sugars into acids and once again utilizes anaerobic cellular respiration to oxidize glucose to create ATP and H2O. So, reiterated again in such simple terms, this fermentation is able to create the energy that makes up biobutanol. Moving on, development, impact, and publicity. Currently, biobutanol is still in development. There's a lot scientists don't know on how to harvest the energy that it creates. Currently, scientists are looking for ways to be able to harvest all of the energy that biobutanol makes, because once again, it can make a lot, but scientists are only able to harness a small amount, so a lot of it is going to waste. So they are trying to figure out how to obtain the full thing. It's being used more as a source of energy. For example, in 2018, the EPA increased how much was allowed in gasoline. It went up to as much as 16%, which is still low, but a great jump forward. This is once again due to the difficulty of production. However, it is a much better environmentally conscious fuel source because of the fact that there are such natural ingredients within and it only takes fermentation. This leads into the carbon footprint. Biobutanol is a much cleaner renewable energy source than ethanol or diesel, once again because of these natural components and because of the process of fermentation. This also leads into how it's gaining attention and interest. Even though it's still in development, it's a great energy source and has a lot of potential for the future, but I will reiterate it one more time, minor setbacks such as cost and production hold it back. Lastly, my analysis and plan of action. My analysis, if cost wasn't a factor, I would have it be researched a lot more, just in the fact that once we are able to harness all of the energy that is able to produce, it would be a great energy source in terms of sustainability. Because it is so natural, it could replace these non-renewable types of energy and make our earth greener and have energy be much cleaner. I would have it be mostly put into things such as gasoline, just because it is so commonly used, and it would be an easier step forward, as once again, the EPA in 2018 was able to increase the amount. So increasing the amount even more would lead to a much greener earth, and I think that would help a lot, but that can only be done through research, which again takes a lot of money. But if money weren't a problem in this issue, then I'd definitely have it be researched a lot more, so that way this energy can be obtained. And my analysis of biobutanol is, once again, it is a great potential fuel, and it is much better for our earth and for us in terms of sustainability. Lastly, here are my citations. Thank you so much for watching.